My name is Vanessa. Let me introduce my teams. They are Angelina, Emmanuel, Wafiuddin, and Clarence. Today, we are going to explain regarding morphology of plants, which is the root.
First of all, let me introduce you about roots. Roots are the essential underground parts of all vascular plants. This part of plant is mainly responsible for anchoring it down into the ground. It also absorbing the essential mineral elements, nutrients, water from the soil. It also used to store food.
Today I want to explain about function of root. Firstly, root provide anchorage. This means they hold the plant firmly into the soil. By doing so, the plant stays steady and prevent it from being uprooted by strong wind or water movement. Secondly, roots are essential for absorbing water and minerals from the soil. Tiny structure called root hair increase the surface area of the roots, allowing more efficient absorption of this essential nutrient. Another key function is storage. Roots store carbohydrate, sugar, and water. This store food help the plant survive through harsh weather or when resources are scarce. Additional function. Some roots have additional specialized function. For example, certain roots can produce hormones that aid in plant development. Others from symbiotic relationship with microorganisms to help improve nutrient uptake.
Next, let's look at the two main types of roots in plants. The first one is taproots and the second one is fibrous roots. Let me explain about taproots first. Taproots are found in dicot plants like carrots. Taproot is one main root that grows straight down vertically into the soil. Thirdly, this type of root goes into the ground to absorb water and nutrients from lower layers. Secondly, I'm gonna explain about fibrous roots. Fibrous roots are found in monocots of plants such as maize. Instead of one big root, there are many small roots that spread out horizontally. And lastly, these roots stay near the surface and help hold the soil tightly. So, the main difference is how deep they grow and how they spread out in the soil.
So next, we will explore the regions of root. There are four main regions of roots, each with specific functions. For the first one is root cap. Root cap located at the tip of the root that protect the delicate tissues from damage. It also protects other root tissues. Just under the root cap, we find meristematic zone. Meristematic zone contains small, thin-walled cells that divide rapidly through mitosis to form a new cells. It's also essential for root growth. For the next is the elongation zones. The cells produced by the root meristem undergo rapid elongation. The new cells expand in length and volume. Finally, we reach the maturation zone. Here, the cells differentiate and mature into specialized cell types. In this region, forming outgrowth of epidermis cells, walls, and membranes that increase the area of absorption of the root. And that's all about region of root. Each zone play a vital role in growth, protection, and nutrient absorption. Thank you.
I will be talking about modification of root. Roots are usually known for anchoring the plant and absorbing water, but in some plants, they get modified to perform other special functions. So here are three types of modification. The first one is a food storage. In some plants, the root becomes swollen because they store food. This is especially common in root vegetables. A good example will be sweet potatoes and carrot. These swollen roots act as a food reserve for the plant and they also become a source of food for us. So second, some plants like mangrove grow in swampy areas where the soil has very little oxygen. To survive, they grow special root called pneumothorus. This root grow vertically upward from the ground to help the plant take in oxygen from the air. And finally, certain roots help the plant to stay upright and stable. There are two types of shown here. Prop root, which grow straight down from the thick branch and give support. A good example is the banyan tree. Second one is tilt root, which grow diagonally downward from the lower part of the stem to support weak stem. These are often seen in plants like sugarcane and maize.